Every year, millions of birds travel vast distances between breeding and feeding grounds. This seasonal journey, called migration, helps them find food, suitable climates, and safe nesting places. Without migration, many species would struggle to survive harsh winters or scarce summer conditions. Birds prepare for migration by storing energy as fat, sometimes doubling their body weight beforehand. They also molt and strengthen flight muscles, ensuring they can endure long, continuous flights. When the time arrives, they launch into the air, often traveling at night for cooler conditions. Navigation during migration relies on remarkable internal compasses and environmental cues from the surrounding world. Birds can sense Earth's magnetic field, using it like an invisible map guiding their direction. They also use the position of the sun, stars, landmarks, and even smells to stay on course. Some species travel thousands of kilometers non-stop, crossing oceans and deserts without resting. Others move in shorter stages, stopping frequently to feed and regain energy along the way. Young birds often migrate for the first time alone, relying on instincts encoded in their genes. Climate change and habitat loss are altering migration routes, making journeys more challenging for many species worldwide. Despite these challenges, migration remains one of nature's most extraordinary survival strategies, connecting ecosystems across the planet. Watching these epic journeys reminds us how deeply life on Earth depends on timing, movement, and adaptation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.